Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the rib feature in SolidWorks. So rib is good for designs where you need structural support by adding in something that connects two parts. So like this little picture that shows here, you have two parts and you could add material in between. And you'll typically see ribs a lot in like plastic parts that's printed to have like thin walled with a lot of structural support. So we'll go ahead and create an example. So we'll sketch on the right plane, and then we will extrude boss this like that. So we have a very thin wall feature here. And you can imagine if you have something really thin, it's tend to be weak, so it could collapse. So you could probably add something in between, and that's what we call a rib. So we're gonna go ahead and create a plane in between. So didn't like that. Let me re-click it. So I'm going to click this face and then this face and then create a plane. So inside the plane, what you want to do is create a sketch where you would want the rib to go. So I'll have something like this. And then in the features, you could click rib and then the arrow is the direction of the rib. So if I create the rib, you can see that this rib now appears. And if you add a feature, you could change the width of this. Maybe you want something bulkier, so you have a bulky rib. Okay, but in practice, usually when you see ribs, they're actually very thin, and you could do some stress analysis. You see how thick you really need it, but that's really the basic idea of a rib is to just create a material that connects some thin wall surface to give it structural support. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.